This is June with New Orleans Potions, and this video is going to show you how to do a loose eyeshadow that I make. And this is a color recipe, and this is called Pink Silk Satin. So the first thing I want to do is I want to put my base. So I'm going to put one dash of my loose base. Okay, make sure that was my dash. And then I want to put, I'm going to start with the color. So we're going to do Bronze Fine first. We're going to put one tad of Bronze Fine. This is, I get this from TKB. All right, that's one tad of bronze. Next thing we're going to put is 2 tads of Satin Pearl. Okay, that's 1. 2 tads of Satin Pearl. This is TKB, Satin Pearl. And then the next thing we're going to put is the Chameleon Fine, and this is going to be 1 dash. In case I pronounce these words wrong, I will be showing you the bag. That's my pinch, and this is my dash. So this is 1 dash. And these are mica powders. Okay, and the next thing is 1 dash of the Chameleon Glitter. I love this. I put this in a lot of my eyeshadow recipes. So we're going to do 1 dash. See how it sparkles? Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to grind this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this over the top just to keep the mess inside the bowl instead of inside my top, or the color rather. Okay, and we're going to grind this for about 30 seconds. Now that that's done, I'm going to take this off, and I'm going to put this in one of my little snack cups. Okay. Okay, so we want to put this in. This is for storage. And this is Pink Silk. It's a beautiful color. I'm going to show it to you. Each one of these recipes will make quite a few eyeshadows. So if you're just making something for yourself, make it for yourself and give the rest away to your friends. Or I retail a lot of these things on Etsy. It's just a soft color. I just want to make sure I get enough to show you. And it's just a little bit of sparkle. Okay, that was Pink Silk Shimmer. And this was a loose eyeshadow. Okay, this is June with New Orleans Potions.